Alright guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set. Just had done for a customer. This is a 925 sterling silver with the permanent cuts. This is a perm cut grill. You see in between each tooth there, got a line that's cut all the way through. Gives it that nice definition that a lot of our customers love. Okay, and this is real silver, guys. It's 92.5% pure silver. Okay, here's the back side. Now these snap right on the teeth. These are made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. It's a perfect fit. 6-on-6 teeth. Now you can go with other combinations. It's up to you. All right, now this is available on our website. You can click the link in the description. Gives you all the details, take you right to the product page. Check it out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.